across America. According to officials, the balloon was downed by Air Force fighter aircrafts off the Carolina coast. U.S. President Joe Biden had issued an order on Wednesday to take down the balloon, but the Pentagon had recommended to wait and carry out the operation until the balloon was safely over water.
Yes, ma'am.
They successfully took it down, and I want to compliment our aviators who did it, and we'll have more to report on this a little later.
The balloon had spent 5 days traveling in a diagonal southeast route from Idaho to the Carolinas. It had moved off the coast by midday Saturday and was shot down within moments of its arrival over the Atlantic Ocean. Multiple fighter and refueling aircrafts were involved in the mission. The balloon was shot down about 6 nautical miles off the U.S. East Coast. Now, according to the Pentagon, the U.S. military is now trying to recover the debris, which is spread over 7 miles. The debris landed in 47 feet of water, which is shallower than what the experts had expected. The shoot down came shortly after